National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albany, or 10 miles west of Evansville. County in southeast at 50 miles. Rock County in south-central hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: a severe thunderstorm was located near Albany, or 10 miles west of Evansville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard entries. Locations in Texas include Janesville, Beloit, Delavan, South Beloit, Evansville, Brodhead, Belleville, Clinton, Darien, Orphanville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footsville, Newark, Magnolia, Dayton, Tiffany, Hanover, and Avalon. People attending farmers market in Beloit should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is not safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.